Hey guys and gals, thanks for joining me on another video of a little bit of everything. In this video, we're going to be cooking it up, and we're going to be cooking it up with Shareen Nicole. So if you want to see the rest of this video, stay tuned. Alright guys, you got some lovely items here. This is what we got: some pepper, some hot sauce, some mayo, some spicy brown mustard, Thousand Islands, Star-Kissed tuna, 4 cans, sweet relish, macaronis, elbow macaronis, and we've got 6 eggs. So let's get started. joining me on this video, Cooking with Shareen Nicole. If you guys like, you can put some ground paprika at the end. I showed you guys what the tuna salad looks like, so I'll show you guys paprika. You just pick it up at the dollar store, you know, no biggie. So I'm gonna just shake some of that on there. It's really like a garnish. I wouldn't say it's like, you know, doesn't really give it any taste. And there you have it, guys. Let me see if I can get in there a little bit better. Tuna salad. Until next time, guys, make sure you like, comment, rate, share, and subscribe. You guys thought I was gonna let you go without me trying this on camera? You thought wrong. So I got my piece right here, guys. It's so good. It's so good. I actually eat my tuna salad really warm, but it's up to you, it's preference. I'm weird like that. Most people chill it. I don't. Room temperature is fine for me. I want you guys to try this recipe. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And remember, everything is to taste. So what I put in there is what I put in there. I don't measure. I just throw it in there. Grandma is the one that gave me the recipe, and she passed away. So thanks, Grandma. Hopefully everybody else gets to enjoy this too.